She's coming.
What's going on here?
Say yes. Babe, will you marry me?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Babe, you're 30 BG. Hey! See, there's no way I can marry 30 BG. It's FC or nothing.
Is that what you want?
See, there's no way I can be FC and you're 30 BG. How can we be living? I cannot sleep now. If you stab me for nights.
Bro, just lock up this thing to this thing comes for guys and 30 BG on FC.
See, this marriage cannot work. See, now you have to choose between FC and 30 BG. Will you marry me?
Babe, just accept the ring now. Take the ring. Take the ring. 30 BG.
Yes!
Why, babe? Babe, you know in my family, we all support the same thing, even in football.
Wait. Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi, of course.
Hey! No, this marriage can never work. It can never work. Never. It can never work.
What are you even saying? Besides, Messi has
collected
World Cup.
What are you saying?